Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Look who we have for you today. A super cute little Scarecrow bookmark for you. Let's have a look and see what he looks like in the book. Pop him in. There we go. Tucked all away, and then when you pick him out, you have your little Scarecrow. Come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So as per usual, you'll need some paper scraps and a square piece of paper. This is about 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and it's going to be the color of my hat. First thing you need to do is fold your basic corner bookmark. Bring your bottom up. Let's move these out of the way, we don't need them just yet. Bring your corner up. Repeat on the other side. Open, bring one flap down. Bring this one in and tuck under. And the same on this side. You have your basic corner bookmark. Now it's decision time. Do you want your hat to be on this side with a little strip in the middle, or you can choose to have it on the back? It doesn't really matter. I think I'm going to use it this way around because then I can make my face a bit stiffer because the face is going to go here. If you do it in the back, it just looks different. But anyway, it's just a question of preference. So I'm going to start off by cutting a little red band, which is going to be going across the top of my hat. There we go, I like that. Now you can shape it. I'm also going to shape the hat. I'm going to give it like a little dip at the top. And I'm also going to shape it just where I put the band. In fact, I'm going to cut it in and cut down. It's a bit thick now. You see, don't you love it when I make it up as I go along? Yes, I know my crafts perfectly well. Or not. Okay, I think that looks really cute. Time to create a little sunflower or a little flower to go in the corner. Now I want to get a face. I think I'm going to use a tin to trace it. I only need a semicircle, so I'm going to just go to the edge of my sheet. Oh, actually, let's go this side. I've got a hole here already. And then you can cut this to shape as well. Okay, almost there. So cute. Now my Scarecrow will need some more yellow. I'm going to cut some like straw out. And finally we need that face. That's super cute. Let's have 2 eyes. 1, 2. That Scarecrow mouth. A little Scarecrow nose. Do an orange one. And then the very last thing is to find some pink cheeks. Let me go and find some pink scrap paper. And your Scarecrow is almost done. There we go. Scarecrow bookmark finished. Isn't that adorable? So, as per usual, I would like you to like, comment, subscribe, but above all, I'd love you to keep watching and keep making, and of course, to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.